not the black stickers. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be doing an unboxing for my brand new MacBook Pro. So I bought my first MacBook in 2019 and mine was the 13-inch. I just got the basic MacBook Pro. My old one had the Intel chip, whatever that means, but it kind of made my computer run a little bit slow, especially with me doing like editing, and then I'd be doing like my drone and stuff like that. So it was just really slow, and I was doing this Excel worksheet program thing and it was just going so slow. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go and buy me a new MacBook, and I went and bought me the 2024 MacBook Pro. Well, they kind of talked me into not getting the base model, and this is the 14-inch MacBook Pro with the M3 Pro chip, and it has 18 gigabytes of unified memory, whatever that is, and it's just the standard 512 gigabytes. So I wanted to open it with you guys, and I want you guys to see like the process of me opening it and everything. The MacBook Pro starts at, I think it's like $1,500. I did go a step up. You have the regular M3 chip, and then you have the M3 Pro, then you have the M3 Max. I just went with the mid-tier. That is so fucking satisfying. Come on, bitch. That one didn't want to come off. Okay, maybe I can do this with one hand. Okay. Okay, no, I can't. Ooh. I like this. So I did get it in the space black. If I'm being honest, the real reason why I went to the, you know, higher tier MacBook Pro was because I really wanted the space black. And then of course you have your little screen cover. Great little, I just think that Apple in general always has a very satisfying open box, like opening experience. Ooh, not the black stickers. Comes with a new braided cable for the fast charging, which is great because this is my other one. Very frayed, very broken, very messed up. 14-inch MacBook Pro with Apple M3 Pro chip. It's pretty good. And I did trade in my old MacBook, so that's pretty awesome. And I just love the color, y'all. Like, look at this MacBook Pro. Definitely recommend, you know, if you got one of the older MacBooks with the Intel, it might be time for an upgrade. It might be time for you to upgrade, especially if you're doing like videos and stuff. Very much might be time for an upgrade. I mean, I tried to keep mine because I got mine in my old one. I got it in 2019. I kept it for 5 years. So hopefully I can keep this new one for a long time as well. And we are English, United States. Huh? I don't know what that is, so no. Creekwood, shit, what's the password? I did wipe my MacBook, so I don't have anything to transfer. I'm just going to, because this is migration or something. And it's setting up. I like it though, y'all. I really like it. I'm gonna use it to edit this video, obviously.
You can change it later. Hi.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like.
The traditional.
You can change it later in system settings.
No, let's go. Touch ID. We will set that up later. Oh, now this is a MacBook. Look at this. Can y'all see that? Like, what? Is there anything else in the box? I don't think so. Like, I think it's just this really cutesy box. I already had Final Cut downloaded, and we're also gonna go and download Logic because these are like the main two that I use. Final Cut is so great for editing videos. And that's another thing too, like my files, so I usually record and stuff in 4K. And my drone, so I'm gonna kind of show you. My drone also is, you know, it's a Skydio, but most of the footage and stuff is in 4K. Generally what I would do is, you know, combine the files, like if I'm editing or something, some kind of travel video, then I would put it all in Final Cut and edit it and make it very amazing. And I noticed it was very slow. And so I also noticed, you know, that my battery life on my old computer was absolutely horrible. This one does come with Touch ID up here. And then you do have different ports. So mine had 4 USB-C ports. This one has like an HDMI. Looks like there's a SIM card slot, which will be great for editing videos because I have a SIM card slot in my Sony. And then you got 1 USB-C. You got the new charger over here, and then 2 USB-Cs, and then a headphone jack. They also said this battery life is kind of insanely good. If you don't know, Apple came out with a new technology. Well, I don't know if it's a new technology.
Apple Intelligence in 5 minutes.
The iPhone 15 and up, you're able to use Apple Intelligence, and I think there's a certain like limitations on the type of computer that you can have to use it as well, and the iPads and blah 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 blah. The chips that are in those devices, you have to have a certain type of chip for Apple Intelligence to work. That's like the best way that I can explain it. So my computer would not have been able to work with Apple Intelligence. I wouldn't have been able to do anything with that at all. I do feel like this is a lot smoother, and I'm gonna just pull up my channel. I think I'm gonna just put one right here. Oh shit. A black Apple sticker, inclusive. I'm gonna save this one because I don't know. One of my sisters might want it. Put all of this stuff back in so I can get ready to go to my appointment. It is 1:40. I do need Microsoft Excel. If you have an older MacBook with the Intel processors, I do think that it may be worth looking into an upgrade if you're doing like heavy editing or stuff like that. It just feels more fluid. I think that that can make a big difference. Or if you're trying to do like social content and stuff for, you know, like a job or more serious things, or if you're just using it for more demanding tasks and stuff, you may want to consider upgrading even to like the M1, M2. I think there was a creator on YouTube, I forgot his name. He uses the M1 MacBook Pros and it works great for him. Some people use the Air. You don't need to splurge. Get something and work with it, and I think you'll be fine. For me personally, I just think this was the best thing for me because I do a lot of like data analysis, I do a lot of homework, and I do a lot of Excel work, and then I have my editing going on in the background, and I'm trying to find a video, and I'm trying to do Photoshop, and I'm trying to do this and this and this and this. So I definitely needed to upgrade my computer because especially for next month, if you are in the market, just do your research so that you buy the MacBook that is best for you. And also, if you are not able to trade in your MacBook, you can also look at selling it to like a third party, getting some money and taking that money and using that towards the payment of the new one. I'm gonna play some music to kind of listen to the speakers. Great, I'm bored. Get outside, ho.
Be my liberty, so you can hug that thing all day long. Love you down to the bone.
Love you down to the bone. I love that
won't
song.
believe how-
Girl, shut up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really need to go to my appointment. This was my review on the 2024, well, not really a review. This was my 2024 unboxing of the MacBook Pro. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you click the bell every time. Wait, no. Make sure you click the bell so that you get notification. Wait, make sure to click the bell icon so that you get notifications every time I upload a brand new video. This was my first unboxing. Obviously, I've never done an unboxing video at all. So please bear with me. If this was a little boring, bear with me, please. Levi jeans, love you down to the bone. Bye. Y'all have a wonderful day. I really need to go. Ooh, it is 1:46. I have to go. Also, I am definitely, without a doubt, 100% going to be going to Asia very soon. So if you want to follow me along for that adventure, please make sure you stay subscribed. Make sure you stay tuned so you see what's going on. That I made you look. I made you look. I'm a space black girly. Love you down to the bone. Peace out. Bye.